It is Easter weekend and we are on the road to fabulous, scenic East Texas. You can hear the enthusiasm in my voice. Mrs. Farmeritaville is at the wheel and today is going to be an adventure. Well, we made it all the way to fabulous, scenic First Monday at Canton, Texas. East Texas' most perpetual yard sale. First Monday's been going on as long as I can remember. It's basically a giant flea market. It has grown over the years and there's just tons and tons of craft shops, country stores, like vendors that sell all kinds of food and just junk. It's a giant garage sale. And then there's the flea market aspect of it. You could probably come out here and end up going home with a new pet, like a dog or a goat maybe. Or maybe even a small pig or duckling. So it's always been like the wild, wild west, and it has been a really long time since I've been here. In fact, I remember the last time I was here was 2013, the summer before we opened Dark Hour the first time. A bunch of us came out here with a big crew and a giant truck, and we just loaded up on cheap crap to decorate the haunted house with. So antique furniture, broken stuff, lighting fixtures, all kinds of cool junk. So we're gonna see what we can find now at Easter weekend edition of First Monday. By the way, if you're wondering why it's called First Monday and you're new here, it's because it happens the weekend preceding the first Monday of every month. So even though we're right at the tail end of March, Monday is April 1st. And yeah, totally Easter edition. So we did get lucky on the weather. It's cloudy, it's about 70, it's really nice, and probably pretty crowded once we get in there. So anyway, let's jump in and figure out what's going on at Canton First Monday Trade Days. Very sad.
It was gone before I...
So what you're saying is we need to take customer suspension.
Cool. That is also very cool.
I've seen a few Let's Go Brandon flags floating around, but that raises to mind a point. Like, I think a great business opportunity out here would be to have a booth, and your whole booth is like Let's Go Brandon flags, but it's not just Brandon, it's like every name, like Let's Go Jake, Let's Go Samantha, Let's Go whoever, you know, like keychains and license plates. And then, you know, somebody just bewildered pitches that idea. I don't know why the Brandon ones keep selling out. I got all the other names in stock. My son is also named Bort. Simpsons reference for those of you who are nerdy like me. Check out this find. It is a cast iron donut maker. You can cook donuts on an open fire. Cane, cane, go away. Come again another day.
Is that a cork?
And more knives, as well as the official collector knives price guide. I bet they wrote that here. That guy's probably out here right now autographing books. Oh, my middle school and high school years, now at an antique flea market. I always had the cheapest Discman, like that they had at Big Lots. Like, my friends would have the fancy ones and they'd walk around slamming them on stuff like, look, it still plays, it still plays.
So like the ones that get our attention, but I'm like, this is what you want when you get them.
You see, it almost happened. We nearly left here with a dog, two dogs. Okay, here's a vendor that just has all of the antique molded Christmas decoration stuff. It doesn't matter who you worship, Jesus or Mickey Mouse, it's all here. We don't know why the aliens are so buff. We were trying to figure that out. And then, all of a sudden, you had giant buff Captain America alien. Only at First Monday can you find gems like a commercial Hooters bar stool for $35 low. Perfect for your man cave. I would have never thought to put it there. This couldn't be further from the truth in my world. If we have to rely on me, we're screwed. Every time I see a stack of crates of this nature, I don't want to stand near it because my instinct is that a vehicle is going to come crashing through it at high speed, followed by a fruit stand and two men carrying a sheet of glass. When in Rome, you have to get the jumbo corn dog. This is the finest drainage ditch shopping I've ever seen. Don't see that very often. Well, my friends, that closes our day here at First Monday Canton. And we're headed back to the car. We didn't buy anything. There was nothing that completely possessed me in the moment that said I have to have this, and I certainly didn't show up here on a mission as I have in the past. So I'm going home with nothing but great memories, a good buzz, and some iced coffee. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, blah, 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 and buy ammo from a trailer on the way out. It's fantastic. Sums up everything you need to know. Honestly, yeah, there's a lot of great bargains and stuff. The people watching here is top notch. So if you haven't been, especially if you're new to the area, I know a shitload of you guys have been moving here to Texas from, well, God knows where. But if you haven't been to First Monday Canton, you have to have your initiation as a DFW citizen. Come to Canton. Anyway, there's some like cheerleaders or something doing some weird photo op over there. Thanks for watching. Take care, everybody. We'll see you again soon. Go do stuff.
Go do stuff!